Hey, sesibuyile this week, episode 10, Ingqola podcast. Ibito lami ngisihle ngakamaseko. Ngingamangali-ke bengisola ngingekho kwala umatasa khona. Angabi ngedwana. Kumnake kuthathe thula ukuthi ungibani wakabani.
Sibonge ngcamane kulithola leli thuba lenjengaleli amathuba la njengalawa akavela onke emalanga. Libito lami ke babukeli ngumdumiseni wakadlamini.
Oh, kwala. Local ufevani.
Ngifefa inkunzi emnyama so ngatalwa ngenkunzi.
Osikepha alfazi namadoda. Bengicabanga ukuthi uthi ufeva sihlanga noma uthi ufeva ibhola, most people babese basho njalo-ke.
Nginkunzi.
Sihlanga uzidlalile kule FIFA week bezidlala against Mozambique. The first leg bezidlala away, sadraw 1-1. Then second leg bezidlala at home. Hey, wakhala umzaca 3-0.
Hey, khona lokho ngilokubuhlungu but ngiyatsemba nawubuka ama-team ledlala ngayo sitawuthuthuka nathi ngoba you have to start somewhere when you're going somewhere.
I think the positive thing that we can take from Sihlang was that in the first leg they were able to score a goal after such a long time. Sibe in a draw 1-1, and considering that the coach is still new in the team, is still learning a lot of things about the Swazi football.
Yeah, ngoba vele ama-structures ebhola sometimes it takes time. Ngisho nasemaveni lanemali but ngicabanga ukuthi one day.
Yeah, then recently sibona Premier League and Eswatini TV, they are getting into in a marriage. The PLE is piloting a certain project ukuthi ifuna ama-matches abo broadcast ku our national TV station. The first game bathi tabe senhlangano isibabane Highlanders ukuthi ayibukela Swazi TV will be playing against Sonke.
I am very delighted ukuthi silive sithole leli thuba lenjengaleli ngoba lokhu kusifaka kuyas-update asikhona ukufila lama-stadium sonke isikhathi but nje naku-TV uyakhona kube ukuthi na ungakakhoni kuya le stadium ulithole lithuba lekubukela.
Yeah, the South Africa utsito fevani.
Makhosi emhlaba i-team lenemlandvo lomuhle kakhulu.
Ngeke bebathi labanye babuka inkanyete esibhakabhakeni janjanyane, labanye bayi-Afrika babuya nayo iphila.
Hey, ngiyethemba sitawufika lapho noma ungaba mkhulu kangakanani ngeke ukuwina konke kanye.
Are you happy with the performance of Kaizer Chiefs ne-direction?
Seemingly Kaizer Chiefs kuyakhombisa ukuthi kukhona lababheka khona ngoba you can see they have quality strikers nyalo nema-midfielder khona uyabona ukuthi lamagoli akhona asitawushaywa.
Shows the coach impactful.
Ngicabanga ukuthi ngiyade ngathi coach yethu ngicabanga ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs as a team babile to a drawing board and
I think it's the coach for me, because that one was there before. Then Nalanza Stuart Baxter, instead of giving him a chance, before it was Kevin Hunt, then you gave the rein to Atazwan. Boom, Nalanza Stuart Baxter. Why are you not giving others one a chance? Since the Kaizer banzeki. Hi.
Ngicabanga ukuthi atazwana akakalitholi leli thuba lokuthi bathenge enough quality players.
Yeah, but others what I didn't bekangathi I market. He just needed time. It was time ukuthi nimnede isikhathi because usuka nebangukudidisi yabona and ama-products akhe nanga sayacala yabonakala labo Dudu Shabalala nabo Bonqobo.
Ngicabanga ukuthi vele ibhola idzinga i-patience ngoba they had to be patient with others one ngoba ngeke ubheke kuwina namhla.
Hey manje bese niyashayana man etkotela.
Yeah, ngilobuhlungu bekufeva ngoba nawe i-team lenkulu yayove ngazi ukuthi ya ngawuyawina ngoba kulukhulu ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ngaqedza isizini ngakathathi ngisho ukuwina.
Yeah, but lokunye kuvude nikubona ukuthi kugain momentum as time goes on. You will see some results and than lo ukuthi xa uvele ubuka ukuthi ufuna invele be boiling point. No, before ibe boiling point iqala lento ibile gradual. Hayi ukuthi uvele boom. Yabo.
Ngabekisela njengetihlole tema-Melody Sundowns nje.
Yeah.
Kuthi aba expect ukuthi kule mali lebayisipendako naloko ukuthi leli gama selikhulu they've been winning ama-titles season after season. Sebayacetha nje season nyaka bakathole ngisho ukuwina.
Yeah, it's the project yabo. Seyifike vele la kuthenini wonke umuntu ufika ngokufuna deliver. Ku-Chiefs wonke umuntu uqhamuka from scratch. Uyabona? Kanza ukuthi material ukanza ukuthi disorganized understanding then utaqala clean alungise before expect anything from him. Uyabona? So asasiye eNgilandi sibuke eNgilandi ukuthi isiphatheleni because sinakhuluma kuze ngale Kaizer Chiefs. But the Kaizer Chiefs can learn something from yona le Mamelodi Sundowns, Super Sports, teams like Super Sports. Then you can go to your parent club, Pinto Funzekona, that is Orlando Pirates. Because they're in Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Pirates is a stage where it is performing, it is delivering. The expectation is to deliver, make sure that the team wins. So England, I have heard rumors that Pep Guardiola is being considered for the England job. What are your thoughts on that?
Ngicabanga ukuthi maybe ngayi-benefit Engilandi. But Pep Guardiola angagcina ababhode.
Why?
Because Pepe ujwayele kuwina tinkomishi season after season. Manje ngingale khona ngiloke ukuthi ama-countries badlali ukhanza ukuthi bahlangana nje ngeke yodlala. So kulukhuni kusafuna ukuthola ama-combinations. It's something lokhanza ukuthi nale vision yakho noma unayo ngeke bathole lo bafunako ngesikhathi lo sifunako noma the type of players that you really need.
But Pepe has conquered have done everything in football except for coaching a national team. He has to, even though I don't think he has to prove himself to us. Since he had he's the best, greatest coach ever. But kuya national team kwakhe I think kungamchallenge somehow. Ukuthi ingqondo yakhe ibe refreshed and asebenzise ipool of players labakhona kule national team. He can benefit a lot. There are players laba ngakhona kumasterisha i-playing style sakhe baba seNgilandi.
They can benefit, but ngicabanga ukuthi yena usengakeva ukuthi ya so ready for the coach national team. Maybe later sekata retire.
Ngende ufuna Spain.
Yeah, maybe Spain. They play the fluid type of football. And I think Pepe.
Yeah, then the other coaches listed the German guy, this Thomas Tuchel, the one who was fired by German, not German, by Bayern Munich. Yes, Bayern Munich was replaced by Kampan. Naye ngazi bayamenishina. Angathi uthi wathini naye.
To the England job.
Yeah.
Ngicabanga ukuthi Vincent Kompany can really do.
I mean Tuchel.
Yes, I meant Tuchel. Yes, I think he's a very good coach. He has proven to every team that he's been coaching. He's a really good coach. They can try him out.
Wait, man, Tuchel ingena indlela ngibona ngathi still dawudlala nje na Southgate. I've not defended too much. You can't protect something that you don't have. You have to protect something that you already have. Ngeke ungene ground ini ufike you defend not. You don't have to defend 1-0, 2-0. Yabo. That is why Southgate was playing too boring football, I can say.
Ngicabanga ukuthi naye bese ka frustrated ngoba inkinga le khona labadlali national team, they don't bring up the performance from a team level. So kuthi ugcinezela ngasadi it's either I attack noma ngoba vela angena lamagoli
but the guy was having all the material. I don't know whether he is poor technical wise, my tactics akhe or noma indlela yakhe la motivator ngabadlali, because at times as a coach you have to act as a motivator to push your players and create an environment where players will be able to play freely and express themselves. And lokunye kucace ukuthi iselection yakho icace ukuthi uselector based on performance or based on loyalty. I think lokunye lokumplementa ukuthi he was too loyal to certain players. Kan labanye seba improve, they are needed in the team. Yabona.
Ngicabanga ukuthi certain individuals are already motivated in the teams lebawadlalelako ngoba they play in big teams, they bring in good performances week after week. Ngicabanga ukuthi it's a matter of clicking yalo ngoba nasingakhuluma iqiniso bongana nje they don't bring up the kind of performances
in the national team.
If you can go back to the Greece game they were below par.
I think the coach was trying something with basically like no way the coach's fault, because he played the game with only Declan Rice as a holding midfield. All the others were attacking. So how are you gonna stop those people? Trent Alexander-Arnold was on the field. Bellingham was on the field. Cole Palmer. The other one is Saka, yes.
Okay.
Already 4 creatives. Then not 4. The other one, the striker. Lolo. Then Gomez, yes. Gomez. 5 players. All
attacking players.
Yes, because I counted Arnold Mabom, because Arnold is a defender, but he thinks attacking. He don't thinks defending. Thinks attacking always. His mind is always thinks attacking. And I don't know what is happening with the English coaches, because Pickford has proved himself that he is not what they think he is. But looking at about the was the goalkeeping department, they are not paying attention in it. Uyabona?
Ngoba vele they do lame mistakes lama goalkeepers. Ngicabanga ukuthi sometimes kuba nayo yonke le quality nayo yonke le pool. Coach igcina kumbangela headache. But he doesn't know whether to use attacking systems. Noma-ke uyayathi, why should I defend when I have all the materials to give me goals?
Oh, yeah. But akushaya ngale linye usangano upanic because the players abasathu ukuthi kule bamanga ngoba bendele. Then they seem like Spain.
Okay.
It's performing well oiled machine. Team like German.
Okay.
They're performing well. And then recently I've seen France. Angathi ukuthi ngayibeka njani because angifuni ukukhuluma ngabe Mbappe. I think France is more of a threat without Mbappe because we saw new blood in the team. Oh, by the way, there's a game I wanted us to highlight.
Okay.
The game against Libya and Nigeria. The Nigerian stars spent about 12-13 hours in the airport by Malay bus, Kutsi Balance Libya, so that they can go to the game. Libya, okay, bus by keeping the driver wangasho ukuthi ubabulanze wona wafika wahlala.
Yeah, kona akusiso sithombe lesihle lekusakhako ebholeni lokho. Ngicabanga ukuthi it's really not a good thing. But
it is not a good thing nabantu bangibani.
It doesn't have to be ukuthi ngibani. Ngoba soccer has to win.
Yeah, but Nigerian stars, because most of them play in Europe, right? They are all over the media because they can attract the numbers. They're all over the media speaking about treatment and stuff like that. Yet they forget that they gave Libya the same treatment. And then even if you can speak about CAF Champions League, the teams, they mistreat treat teams la southern part. Mina vele understand ngifungathi iNigeria bayifundisa isifundo ukuthi akwendiwa lo.
Yeah, kona it's a lesson, but it doesn't paint sithombe lesihle for football.
That is why ngithi lento kuvude inawe in detail ungabukwa la ukuthi icalaphi lento, because nema team lanjabo Orlando Pirates bo Kaizer Chiefs thina nasifikile le ngala siyabalalisa kahle emahotela wara bona.
Okay.
Mina nje I was having some thought ukuthi if I can be a director or umphathi we team bengake ngakhombe la ma countries naketha todlala ngala ngakithi.
Ubanika the very same treatment.
No, bengabalanza kahle nje airport ngibafake kahle eGeorge Hotel. Ngibabhukhele kahle everything labakudlala bekhona. But nakufuthi bayojima nangibathatha ngicale ngibathatha ngibabhekise steak bahambise kumaphumwana angathi ukuthi igcina ibhobokela yini bonhlangana bashaya ngale gravel noma ngibhokela bosiphofane nobashaya bosithobeleni kutawonakala khona ngibashaya ngale gravel bafike bajime pheze nami bajikisa ngaze abajikisa ngale ndlela leyo ngibajikisa ngalabo mbabana babe betala kamanzini eGeorge bashayise bobuhleni bahambe bayohamba bosibhashini ebuhleni bagege bahambe bomananga bahambise babajikisa ngalo mahasha bekhani bakuye yabona. Kanjalo nabayodlala athi uya host maybe kasomhlolo noma sekuyodlala nje kulanga le match ngihambe nabo nangifika amanzini babhekise enhlangano barambise bafike batawufika kahle ngesikhathi egamini but badlokutela they are exhausted already la nangeni. Because it's what they do, man.
Or they do the very same thing.
They do the very same thing. Because it's in a particular as a tourist, it's funny the respect it's now, but they don't give it.
Hey, kuvamile vele ngamane ukuthi emaveni la ngathathuthukile wona ufuna kubonakala ukuthi hey naba abaphathi bethu noma labakhulu kunathi ngoba bayathi nalo ukuthi siyaba worship ngathi ne sisekula mavela abukeka ngathi ay develop eboneni.
Get out of my Maganas, England.
Maganas.
Oh, okay.
Ndawo ngiyofela khona ngamane.
Do you think in Yaitsaza Venyaka?
Okay, we can, but angisho ukuthi sidayithatha ngoba iPremier League lena, but ngasho ukuthi we are there to compete. Yes, it's possible with the type of players that we see, and we see ukuthi le team seyikhulile seyakhona kuwina noma ingadlali kahle ngoba now they defend as a unit. Nema midfielders akhona, they come back and defend. Nema strikers, you can see we're doing a collective job than previously.
Then why you will win it? No more of now saying that's the FA Cup.
We're going for the league this season. I'm positive. But now favor, you have to know, you have to see we are going somewhere. You have to believe.
Hey, I can't say much about you guys, but I think the key factor to decide again ukuthi ilike niyayithatha noma niyithathi is Arteta. Kahle kahle. At times, as a coach, you have to take a strong decision. It's okay. There's Carabao Cup, there's FA Cup, there's the league, there's the Champions League.
Okay.
And say, okay, ini lena impresa ngabaphathi ba.
Okay.
FA Cup. Say Arsenal you win
okay.
So yes, they are happy for it. The players will be happy, but if you can sacrifice and put more effort maybe on the league, no matter Champions League, because Champions League we are we focus maybe, but I don't think Champions League can send. I don't think in the win a Champions League. Maybe the league is likely because Europe fun domestic football. Europe that is why there are teams who can't say they are doing well. Who understand why enda njani or enda nani.
Ngicabanga ukuthi i-league ngiyona ngomisho lengazi ukuthi ngabuyisa isifundi kumaganazi. Ngicabanga ukuthi we have to win home first and then the Champions League sengaba bonus. There are so many different countries and they are very different teams. In fact, they are very good teams. Nemlandvo wabo uyadishela like the likes of Madrid nabo Barcelona. Noma ngaba baka perform kahle league, but you can see them coming into the party nasekudlala Champions League.
Yeah.
So ngeke uzutshela nge-Champions League. It's a bonus ngoba lesinye isikhathi ngawina ne-team noba ongakayicabangi.
Yeah, it's true. Tiwani ngomisho lenato ni Arsenal. Ngiyiphi ngomisho lo kwabona iArsenal tiwin. Ile wakwayibona iwin Arsenal.
Ngeke ngayibona iwin league ngaphansi kwema-Invincibles abo Thierry Henry ne-FA ngeke ngayibona iwina. Okay, one factor noma ke something lengiyithandza ngayo this season ngiloko ukuthi they can win even when it calls for nasekumadima dying minutes. Ngoba sometimes you have to be able to win a game ngayo yonke indlela. So my comebacks abo recently,
they are nice.
They're very good. And ngicabanga ukuthi it shows the motivation labanika yona Arteta. It really shows ukuthi they're being motivated.
I mean, I'm just ngiyaqhomela I've seen my team winning every trophy.
By the way, which is your team?
Liverpool. I saw Liverpool winning Carabao Cup. I saw Liverpool winning FA Cup. Okay. I saw Liverpool winning the Premier League. I saw Liverpool winning Europa League. I saw Liverpool winning the Champions League. I saw Liverpool winning the Super Cup. I saw Liverpool winning the Club World Cup. I never saw Liverpool winning Conference League. I'm not saying I'm hungry for it. It's just something that let us come again later. If kwendeka, but so long as I've now gone. Okay, my promise good along because we are still having a new coach. So then there are not that much expectations. So I've book and I would see in then starting from next season, then we can understand kind of side. Babe, where's one about goods? Quite logic can give us anything.
Now ngake ulalela amagama Saka ku interview yakhe lebake pham interview ayona. Ushito ukuthi this past 2 seasons he think they've been trying. They were good. But he feels like there's something different this season. Uthi if it's not this season, when can it be? Not sure what I would say. The confidence is set to
sad. But Arsenal have a good goal. Ngoba lokho kuyi-factor lokho goalkeeper wabo good, defense yabo is solid. You can't fault them. Then eswini striking force they are not that much a threat. Arsenal. By the way, Ngilalanani this week. I'm sure. Thina lengwadi ukuthi sidlala against Chelsea at Anfield. And about our game when ucabanga ngani?
Dlala neChelsea. Anfield mosabuya Anfield.
I-Forest yabuya Anfield.
And ngibona ngathi iChelsea ngikhathi idlala ku gain momentum, so it won't be the last season Chelsea. Noma ngeke kube ngile Chelsea yakuleya season leya lebeyibhacabule kalula. You can see Bo Palmer that coming into the picture, and you can see ukuthi le engine yaqala yagaya, so ngeke uzubabale ngaphandle kokuwina i-title ye-Premier League nabo this season. So it won't be a very easy game,
i-Chelsea ngeke iwine i-league. I-Chelsea, that is what I'm sure of. Ngeke iwine i-league. But the weekend game against Liverpool, unpopular opinion from me, I don't see Chelsea losing against Liverpool.
The trend can be a 50-50. The way you can't count Chelsea upon the league, but they do have quality players.
Liverpool doesn't have a proper six. First of all, who is going to protect the defense? The defense that is still not that much solid is shaky. Alisson is injured. Umuntu lokuba uvamise ukuba nguye lokuqhamuka alethi December ngeke ukhule labona khona ukuthi alikho. Yes, our converting rate forward we can score goals. But a proper six with a protected defense seat, and we are playing against Chelsea that have Kaizer as a proper six who is physical. The game layer 18 Bobo. Kaizer is physical. So we are going to protect the defense. The defense like protect tower is strong nana. Yabona. Lo kwenda labo Palma nabo Fernandez babe a threat going forward. The attacking players babe a threat bonkungu bo Jackson bo Palma baba inkinga vele. How are you gonna stop them?
Ngicabanga ukuthi ilahlekelo lapha ku-Ellison ngoba Ellison nguyebeka drive i-defense ye-Liverpool. Ne-experience yakhe iyakusho konke lokho iyakukhombakalisa nama-past stats. Ngibuye ngala ekudefendeni i-Liverpool i-good ngoba they go as a unit when going forward. They come back and defend as a unit. And they're all very quick. Babambisana kude ukuthi ngiloyo nje.
I-weakest link ye-Chelsea ikona kukurela nalo goalkeeper wabo Sanchez.
Okay.
I know for a fact that Sanchez is going to concede. Liverpool will score against Chelsea.
Okay.
But I don't see Chelsea losing.
Hey, we are talking football lana. Kutawuya ngekuthi bobani ngalelo langa who wanted the most. The crop of players like on Liverpool, you are starting to see them with baqala bajela. Bayaqala bangena. You can see ukuthi they're going somewhere. Although basengakafiki lapha afisa kufika khona, but Liverpool is a big threat. Ngeke uzuyibale ngaphandle noma ngeke usayithathela phasi.
I don't take that away from them, from the team. But akusibo bamlonga sibuya nabo embeni now. Sekusibona ama-forwards abo clinical.
But you can see the likes of Pogba are starting to come in volleyball bangayikhombhi in previous seasons. They can even score bakashane. They take chances. You can really see good they're starting to enjoy themselves.
It's a game to watch.
Yeah.
And sibona ukuthi bocoach baphethe impathe nje mina mangabe baphetha usima uthi Chelsea win or draw. Because I don't see Chelsea losing.
But Chelsea have to be careful ngoba le attacking flair Liverpool angangena bemanyende. Ngicwabula kweliso nangabe ningakanaki kahle as a team. So you can't take Liverpool lightly. Ngoba lendlela la ka fast ngawo ama counter attacks abo. And they really take chances. Angangena bemanyendana naningakacaphela.
Sekuthi ngifila like mina akade sekungaba surprise. Liverpool can surprise me because mbuka previous seasons Liverpool have been failing kushaya Chelsea, playing ma-throws. Uthi ukuthi last season nje Liverpool yahluleka kushaya Chelsea. Le Chelsea umuntu uyafuna ukudlala against yona.
EPL league yama surprises. You can't hold on to history. We are playing for now EPL. Ngoba ngisho nema teams lobonga wabali. Look at the likes of Newcastle nabadlala nabo Man City. Almost. So EPL is a very competitive league. You don't rely much in history.
Yeah, this week idlala Man Manchester United Brentford. I thank God. I'm praying for Tenag.
Tenag uhambile Tenag ngoba iwin ya Manchester kulamalanga. Most especially under Tenag he draw.
Mina ngivise bayishaya Brentford.
but looking at the life situation of Manchester, it's not promising. Ngoba uyabona nawubuka into the players of Manchester, uyabona ukuthi ne-morals ayiphasi kude lolo kubakhuthathayo kangako noma ke angadi ukuthi uyayathini ngale ma-dressing room Ten but i-moral iphasi kakhulu. Kanti kusaqala isizini expected them to be different babuye nge-umfle enkulu.
No, Ten uyadeliver nathi ama-trophies ungakukhohlwa lokho-ke. This time uthe kanje ukuthi awine. Mina nje i-Manchester United nayinganginela le game le inginele the following game angathi los badlala against the following one abanganginela le lama games lawo malanga I'm praying angifuni angiconsider unemployment angifuni tena kahamba. I just love him there.
He's been given time, but seemingly ubukela njenga coach low division. Ngoba he has chased the Ronaldos, sasola bo Ronaldo.
No, it'll come to an end. He promised them so some era has to come to an end, and he's doing that.
Okay, but we had hope. Well, it's okay, maybe say dliswa kuba arrogant kwa Ronaldo. So kude lokubonakala kona sekhambeni kwa Ronaldo.
Uklisa njani ke pa umbabakora. Ronaldo was scoring goals. If ungaya kule season leyo uthathe lama goal a Ronaldo. Ngayinde ngayikamloko lokho imenu.
Angithi bewe assumption yathena. So then we thought, yeah, vele maybe it has to do with so nema big shoulders. Satsa sesibone le plan leka deploy yako. Ten has turned normal very good players into ordinary players. So akabonakala kahle ukuthi ubhekephi.
Mbandi the good players.
But Rashford, they used to be good.
Rashford is a lucky person who had a chance to see Kulile England. Otherwise,
this Bruno guy, he's a good player, but
that is all after some kudos actually could say
seemingly my tactics are they can't even play football. Nyalo ngathi nanaye so yatisola ukuthi ngabe ufunane etimini lenkulu kangaka ngoba
the captain has to
no, I'm speaking about Ten Hag.
Oh, Ten Hag.
Yes, maybe the team is too big for him. They have to try someone else.
Like who?
I think Tuchel can be a right fit.
The problem with the now Tosha coach, who are you gonna get in the market? Lodao Mende is a little low for now. Tuchel would actually would say Funas Banban, yabo. So udam seeing kanwena because the direction of it we menu bona bafuna kuthenga kuthi limited la bayithenga ukuthi wena as a coach uyisebenzisana and they don't care.
Ngicabanga ukuthi for lo mlandvo we Manchester that they're really depriving the right of winning. But they have to bring in big players. If football seyintshintshe kakhulu ngeke uze uwine ungabatholi the type of players labadzingekako noma ke ungabatholi labadlali labakhulu.
Uyakwenda workbench.
Ngiyakwenda workbench.
Okay. Ngifuna wende my predictions.
Okay. Bring it on.
Spurs versus West Ham.
Spurs.
Don't Spurs.
Spurs isibonakala ngathi kukhona lo lokuvutwa lapha kuzo this season. They're not like the Spurs of last season. Yeah, they look like a team literally energized.
Then the following game is Fulham versus Aston Villa.
It's a draw.
A draw. Not or what calls?
Not.
Ipswich versus Everton.
1-1.
Manchester United versus Brentford.
1 Brentford, 0 Manchester.
Yo. Newcastle versus Brighton.
That one. Ngoba hey, ayadlala long lama teams. But I can give it to Newcastle 2-1.
No, okay. Okay, mina undisputed. Ticket lami sengake ngakhala ticket ladliwa. Sengifuna kuletha abantu ticket.
Kutsi lakhiwe ngibo.
Ngifuna kuniketa abantu ticket lawatowina ngalo this weekend.
Okay.
So igame ye Spurs versus West Ham.
Okay.
Lapho ke ngicela nje bangifakele over 1.5.
Okay.
Then siyetiwe game ye Manchester United ne Brentford. Ngicela bangifakele emakhona over 9.5. Wadawushaya emakhona la.
Atawuba inkumbi
Abayinqumbi. Then egameni ye Liverpool ne Chelsea bangifakele emagoli over 2.5.
Hey, lapha atawushaywa. Akhona lamagoli la.
Then ibangile egameni ye Chelsea no. Bournemouth ne Arsenal bangifakele over 2.5.
Winanta man.
Then iba egameni ngakho ama games ngizide Spurs.
Yes.
And lapho ngizide over 1.5, right?
1.5.
Menu and Brentford imakhona plus 9.5, right?
9.5.
Then Liverpool ne Chelsea over 2.5. Bournemouth and Arsenal over 2.5 with my goal lapho ke. Then we go to Napoli. Ufaka win or draw Napoli. Then we Scotland ku Celtics. United Celtics straight win.
Okay.
That is 6 games. Nangabe unayo le mali.
Okay.
Wangifakela u10 20 rand u70 rand. Ngicela nje ungicalele 100 wethu.
Usho sitawubeya nayo iphila.
Next episode 11. Abantu ba grind.
Batawube bakubonga.
They have to watch the show and make sure that ba subscribe and have it level.
Khona ama benefits ekubukela.
La Swatini. Unemonene Paris ne Young Buffaloes.
Wakuta kama.
Limonene.
Alifeba abafana.
Betting sites akhona.
Abafana baseGasi.
Sekuthi ngizweni bias because I enjoy watching Monene Pirates. Kakhulu. Then ilovo nesingizini ngisale ngiphuma Monene ngiyekele ngeke ilovo nesingizini. Ukwayibukela ibisengizini.
Ngeke ngayibukela.
Team lenjani? England wale ngiyo la social media.
Hey, ngathi ithuma kakhulu ku social media.
Le ground
Kona bayazama but kunama areas nje lamancane lekusafuna abaphesha khona bangede badlala.
Bangede.
Funa bangede.
Not that if they come to coach.
Nalabadlali kukhona la kufuna ngedwe khona. and then maybe
no lengakubona nje mina ukuthi I don't know ukuthi kwentekani. Isingizini needs a strike, right? Bathatha le striker angathi noma ngile ngizokuphela labanaso basilonishela i-Green Mamba.
Okay.
Then ngathi ibhuda ukuthi hayi ma ungalonisha striker ukuthi ngasona in the market yini lo yendaba ulonisha lelite lonalo hayi that is where la ngasikhona hayi lo coach lo stories zakhana sathi
bekadlalela ama-draw kule season sitawuthi incamani.
no phela this past window lesuka kuyo ulonisha striker usilonishela i-Green Mamba le Green Mamba lena le futhi na compete le compete against yona kambe i-Green Mamba ngalifuna lide
ufuna kudlalela kufika i-relegation incamani. You can't win without goals.
yes ufika kwi-relegation nathi futhi ukore uhambisa lokho futhi akore lamagoli
akakakubuki lo wabo injury naloko ukuthi nangabe lona angaperform ndawufaka abantu
kulo striker bedele striker nako le ngisho mina bedele striker bahambisa sona.
Ngicabanga ukuthi manenge emaphutsa nakhona coach
ngibona mina ukuthi akawuthanda umsebenzi wakhe uyahluleka nomsebenzi wakhe. Imadlenya still hasn't won, I think, for a year now. They're playing too many throws in Madlenya. They are playing against their own form against Isibets. Isibets it win. It is high Madlenya. Yes, Madlenya is playing at home. The Royal Leopard is playing against Yesulene United. I see Royal Leopard winning this one. Then Babana Islanders versus Song has been losing games for the longest time now. I think, but nangabe badlale kahle, it will be a draw.
I-Highlander ngathi noma i-motivation ekubadlala ngapha Ali has been trying. Kukhona isikhathi lapho sokuthi hayi iyedamani le team all season nakule season leyo kodwa nje iphelele tele angathi noma bashoda nge-motivation noma kukanjani.
Hey, I can't say much. Kubo kuthi kushodani just that nje angeke ngisho ukuthi kwentekani. But nje in closing, which mapha game la ngathi umuntu futhi abukele. Okay, lesi sonke le Babana Islanders sabe phela for TV.
Okay.
Yes, we'll be sure bamba bayibukele. Then Premier League game to watch. Your game to watch World Cup.
I think in Le Wanderers. No, I meant to say Le Green Mamba.
Green Mamba.
Yes.
Then local. Then Premier League.
Premier League, it's very obvious. Premier League, Liverpool and Chelsea.
My games to watch. That's why my interest the Man game versus Brentford, the Tottenham versus West Ham game. Then a game the long and night was it having Nans Newcastle versus Brighton. Then the last one, it's Liverpool versus Chelsea. Everyone, how are the teams doing? How are the teams performing?
Newcastle, Brighton, that one you should not miss. It should be a very entertaining encounter. Now, Buga, Lendlela Badala Naibola Bubabil, they play very interesting soccer.
Yeah.
It's very impressive to watch them. Liverpool, Chelsea, it's the biggest. it determines who is going up. Ngoba kutawuba nekushintsha ngama-position if Liverpool do lose or Arsenal bawina baya etulo. So ku-English Premiership, sometimes it's very difficult to catch up.
Once waslipa
yes.
Yeah.
Kusene kwenteka that really good teams labo Arsenal nabo City. Maybe they can keep on winning. Okhanze usina usolucoshisa. Ungacoshisa kuze kuphela isizini. Enxa yasota ugcina nama slip ups lamanyenti.
Mina ngisihle ngamaseko. I'm signing out. Bye.
Ngingumdumisani wakaDlamini. Ngiyabonga ukuthi ngibukele le hlelo. I was very grateful to be part of the program. Thank you.